guys, today is November 5th, 2020, and if you're on the module now thinking, why am I watching a video instead of signing on, you should have noticed that in today's module it says no Google Meet today. Watch the video on how to do the assignment. So if you saw that and you saw this red X, we are not doing a Google Meet because in person we are taking SRI. So there's no sense in you hopping on and just staring at us or taking the SRI or doing the assignment with us going live. So you are watching this video. You do not have to join Google Meet. Your objective for today is I can identify different types of figurative language, and I can do that by highlighting examples of similes, metaphors, hyperboles, personification, and idioms, and I can explain what one of the examples really means to the reader. And I feel like this is probably the most important part. Remember, figurative language, you're not supposed to take it literally. It's just meant to give the reader a better idea of how you're feeling or what is going on. So the first slide, when you get past this, is all the different types that you're going to identify. It gives the definition, it gives examples. So feel free to go back to that at any point. But on your assignment, and let me go to the assignment real fast, you have all these different slides here of the different types. You'll notice that I've given you the example up here and what it is, and then it tells you what to do. And then the gray box down here tells you to answer a question for me, okay, and explain yourself. So for today's task, this slide just reminds you that I've given you the example. Again, it asks you to highlight the simile in each sentence. You have 5 sentences for each example here. So if I'm saying the clock struck midnight and the sky was as black as ink, the simile I would highlight, and if you're watching this, it's a freebie for you. Sky was as black as ink. Okay, I would highlight that. And then down here it says, choose one of the similes you highlighted and explain how that simile gives you a better picture or visual of what's happening. So I don't need to put sky was black as ink. I don't need you to repeat yourself. You've already highlighted it. I don't want you to say it was black. It looked like ink. That's not what I'm saying. If it was as black as ink, then what does the author say? And what I would type here is the sky was pitch black. There was no moon, no stars, nothing. It was dark outside, okay? That's an explanation. Don't repeat yourself with things you've already highlighted up here, okay? Please don't forget your software time. Just like in class, you will have 20 minutes every single day, and so you need to get on your software. Make sure you are reading. If you are in person tomorrow, I am going to call you up individually during your reading time and talk to you about the book that you're reading, where you're at in your reading log, that kind of thing. If you are a full-time virtual person, then I would like to set up a Google Meet time with you for next Wednesday so we can talk about the books you're reading and how you're doing in that aspect. And if you even need any books, maybe you can pick some up from the library. So which of the figurative languages is still giving you a hard time? And don't forget, you are taking SRI tomorrow in person or at home if you're a full-time virtual student. Have a great day and email me if you have any questions. Again, no Google Meet.